The standard time Windows client application can be configured in a number of interesting ways. You may be used to seeing it in this condition where you have the home page and icons, and when you click those icons, new pages show up. Turns out you can also go to the View menu and choose Filter and Properties to add two more panels so that when you click an item, it'll show Properties on the right-hand side, and then you can filter this content by items in this tree on the left. It turns out that you can also drag the panels that you see on the left-hand, right-hand side to dock them in various and interesting ways. For instance, I can drop these down here, go up and view settings, and it will be on the right-hand side. I can drop this down to be another panel in here, and then I have a little tab that I can go back and forth so that I can see properties and settings down below with the content up above with a scroll bar. Same thing with the filter. You can move that around by dragging and dropping it so that it comes into various docking positions. The tabs that you see in the content area are also pretty interesting. They of course have the X button so that you can close them, but also a little drop down on the right hand side that you can access them. Select one and then you'll choose the page that you want to look at. They can also be dragged out into open space so that they act as a floating window that is independent of the dock, or dragged back into this view so that they are now docked with the rest of them and act as a tab that you see here with the little X. If you find that things are completely messed up and you don't recognize what you're seeing, you can always go to the View menu and choose Restore Default Views. Click Yes, and things will come back pretty much to normal. And we're now looking at the home page that we saw earlier. And again, clicking on the icons will open up a new content page. So, very interesting ways to reconfigure the standard time Windows desktop application.